What's the meaning of apicultural? Apicultural. Apicultural. Apicultural.
Apicultural. Apicultural. Apicultural refers to anything related to beekeeping or the raising of honeybees. This term encompasses all aspects of maintaining healthy beehives and harvesting honey, including managing bee colonies, selecting appropriate bee breeds, and extracting honey for consumption or sale. Apicultural practices are essential for both commercial and hobbyist beekeepers, as they ensure the survival and productivity of bees in different ecosystems. By practicing apicultural techniques, beekeepers can help maintain pollination services in natural habitats and provide valuable products such as honey, beeswax, and royal jelly to consumers.